friends, my name is Omid and welcome to my another tutorial videos about Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use green screens and how to edit these kinds of videos on Adobe Premiere Pro and how to change these green screens with everything that you want. It's very easy and simple. Just follow these simple steps for making professional videos. Okay guys, let's jump into Adobe Premiere Pro and see how to replace green screens with anything that we want. First of all, I should say that I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017 and my workplace is set to editing CS 5.5. First of all, for editing a video, I insert my video on my timeline. Okay, I'll go to the folder and drag my video here to this timeline. It's good. Then I go to effects bar in the left side of the software Adobe Premiere Pro and search Ultra key and drag this effect on my video. Okay, it's good. And then I prepare a background for my video for replacing this green screen. I bring it to upper layer and insert my background. My background, for example, is here, and I drag it to Adobe Premiere. Be careful that you should insert this background under your main video. Okay, it's small and I resize it. In the previous section we added the Ultra key to our main video. Now it's time to change its value. Okay, in this box, in effect control box, we search Ultra key. I select this video, my main video, and here I search Ultra key. Yes, Ultra key is here, and with this tool I select the green color. Okay, now I start changing the values of these elements. For example, transparency or highlight. I can change it about the shadows and tolerance. Pedestal. I should change these values until reaching a good quality of our videos. Okay, it's good. And then I go to file and export it to media encoder. It's done. We could successfully change our green screen with a background with an image, and it's very easy. I try to show it to you very simple and quick. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question you can leave your comments. Just remember, follow my channel and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.